nyimbo cross county ya Kisii Francis Koholi ni gatebire bagendreto no butukibo ime elikumanya ikienera ebyoge nabo igo ebintu bitali bironge gotoka ase angino bagane yomo o sports club ime yomo cyobosongo gati ebintu byatoka ngamo nemioro egentone nabo gwikiraboni gataramanyikerenga kiemiere yunkere kiarenge igona nabo atebire buna sama tukana bereka goeta nigo banyore toroboti buna abantu mboleo bagendreto koroberi yago chikugotora no murembe egenta atebire na chikumike getambukire getindi asa bakagirwa omurikito mirudi mumanyi norobocho rwa senchira yobwikirano
ekyombe kyobochori nechimbebe nigo gyakolire omoroberi obwo kwena na certificate igo chiasebali abakubolia ebirogo au maiga yogo ikiranya amachiko alia aganeiri nekyombe kyo Imeye county ya Kisii asenchere kogenda sports club nigo imambe ya lero ebyoma byatoka ebyo bire emioro ase bya mentali berera lya siasa ase omucyobusongo ase bikageire gocha guturubanya omorembe enga kya masakarale nge kobekwa ase cyabisi cie kyombe kyobocholi ne chimbebe IEBC ase omo county commander Francis Koholi akwanera igoro yenganeyo
4 days ago we've been receiving information about the plans on chaos within the county, at least to disrupt the peace we have. We recovered that reflector there with a candidate image and the 4 pangas that have been sharpened already ready to be used. And I think they were both in the same place because they are well branded. I think the purchase was done in a specific place which we are investigating. Those ones who intend to form those militia groups, we are narrowing to them. Those are part of the investigations, the items we are investigating. To know those ones behind. We didn't want to preempt. We've done these ones here, and you see we have results. So for us, it's about when the right time comes, we'll give you news on those ones who have been found culpable.
Nonya igo oyo kuliga ekirogo kyobo governor korwa UDA Ezekiel Machogu nigo atuguteirare engana ekumubwatani nebyogebyo ase atebire siasa yomorembe enyale kogendererwa ime ya Kisii ase abaganirie abamereria bae gutwara chi campaign cyomorembe
lero narora abantu bamintu ba district county security nko batebinga gastirigo korwenjera bagokora inga
Teresa one team ya eldre na hande batige konyo gutungaina ngabanyoro mondo sawo maate wegete t-shirt ya macho kwanza ya macho robora t-shirt ya macho sa popular candidate so kilo monta wa t-shirt ya macho oda ngamato gutumo mondo one of our young men a young man associated with us who works for team Macho Mahangi was actually assaulted by known people on Saturday night. Delvan Nyataiga was assaulted on Saturday night by known people. We are still waiting to see what the security agents are doing because the people who assaulted him are known.
Gingo reporter ya Egetaseni Ndizi TV, Elietaliane, Mildred Momanyi.